finally uvumo selitholile ke iqiniso ukuthi umuntu kuyena ngampela othatha indodakazi yakhe akusiyena uKwenzo kodwa ke induna and uthi ke akanandaba nanenkomo zakhe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlamini from the 28th to 22nd of January 2025 on Monday. Sibongile has gone missing and Vuma's first suspect is Kwenzo. Njengai is proud of himself for the beauty of his blended family, while Peteni excitedly plans the upcoming Valentine event on Tuesday. Consumed by rage, Vuma makes a fiery vow to take a relentless action against the Induna, setting the stage for a first confrontation. Overwhelmed with frustration, Peteni pours her heart out to Sis Mavis, expressing her house resentment for being forced into a role of a caretaker on Wednesday. Vuma makes it clear to Induna that he is not interested in his cows. All he wants is his daughter free. Ntombela is enchanted by a visitor from eThekwini. Well guys, this